while you were reaching out, while this entire thing was happening, what was the biggest challenge that you faced?
To prove my worth, showing samples is not enough actually, because clients, if I talk about clients perspective, they really don't have much time, and some do have time, but many of them don't. So they just want either you should come through your some reference, or you should be able to write a sample on the spot for them as per their industry or as per their business profile. And meeting deadlines while you're managing 10 to 15 clients is really tough. Then you realize that you cannot work alone, you need a team. So I have built a team as well of 5 to 10 writers who I pass on the work whenever there is some need or there is an extra work, because I have realized I cannot work alone if I need extra income, like as if it's a regular job, as if it's a business. Then I have to start recruiting people. That's the difficult job, to trust yourself and your team members when you're hiring new talent for satisfying the needs of the client as per writing. That's the toughest challenge.
While you were hiring, I'm guessing this entire startup of yours.
Yeah.
So how did your startup idea come out? How did you get yourself to, get a startup?
It's been 2 years or something. I don't have really approximate number, but more or less 2 years that I've been writing and helping either my friends or someone comes through me through any reference, he give me job or give me internship, or just hire me or test my writing skills. People do come to me through my clients or my friends or my family members, because they have seen that I'm earning genuinely through writing. So and once I built a good network of clients and good network of writers, I felt that I could explore their talent, I could explore my talent, and why not just collaborate and form a company? Because now I have different clients from different industries, and those clients are also offering services to other people, right? So I have some clients who are actually building websites, graphic designing, they are also offering content writing, and I have a team of writers. So that's why that idea came into my mind. Let's put it in one organization of mine where I can use my team, my clients to offer some a collaborative services to new clients, which I will approach this time.
That's good. That's great. So, for example, if somebody today wanted or had this idea to start a startup or do something like you've started doing, what would you recommend? What would you give a tip them? Like, how would you tell them?
Yeah, first they should have experience. You cannot just start a startup because it sounds very fancy in your mind or your brain, like you will be an entrepreneur or a businesswoman or a businessman. It is not that easy. You need to take calculative risks, and you need to have already somewhat image in your market. So in future, if you need some help, some references, some collaborations, or some funds, to borrow from friends or clients or whatever, so it won't be that much difficult to you if while comparing with someone who has no experience and he or she says let's start a startup. It does not work that way. You need to have certain experience in that field already, which you're planning to open up as a startup.
That's actually very helpful, because you cannot start a startup just because you have an idea. You need to have experience, you need to have resources.
Yeah, it in my mind it's just like one step up. Like, you have been a writer, okay, you have been an author, okay, now what more can you do? You will get bored of writing again and again same content. If you're master of it, now what you have to do, you have to gather talent, you have to train it, and then you have to pitch their talent to others. So why not just open an organization? That's the way I'm thinking about it.
If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe to Oya Talks. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get instant updates. And for more exclusive clips, please follow our Facebook and Instagram handle @Oya Talks.